Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make soft, fluffy bakery style chocolate chip muffins. I love to enjoy a good muffin with a warm cup of coffee, especially now that fall weather is setting in. These are perfect for the season. So let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to start by mixing the dry ingredients. So in my bowl I have some flour. Into that I'm adding baking powder, baking soda. I'm going to add a combination of cinnamon and ground nutmeg to give the muffins really nice flavor. Next, toss in some salt and some chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet mini chocolate chips. You can use the bigger chocolate chips if you want, but I feel like with these, you get more chocolate chips distributed throughout your muffins. Go ahead and mix everything together. Then we're going to set this aside and mix the wet ingredients. I have my big mixing bowl here. Into that, I'm adding some sugar. I have some eggs going in, as well as canola oil or vegetable oil. Next, to make the muffins very moist, I'm adding in some buttermilk, then toss in some vanilla extract. Go ahead and mix it all together until everything is very well incorporated. Then we're going to gradually add in the dry ingredients. I added my dry ingredients in 2 batches to make it easier to mix. So you want to make sure you get your first batch incorporated before adding the next one. That way you don't overmix your batter. Once the batter looks like it is just mixed in, you have to stop mixing. Otherwise, if you overmix, you end up with very tough muffins. You should also use a spatula to scrape down the sides and under your bowl to make sure everything is getting well mixed in. Okay guys? So in order for us to get bakery style chocolate chip muffins with that beautiful dome right there, that dome is the best part of your muffin. You don't want to miss it. You have to let your batter rest. Okay guys? So go ahead and cover your batter and stick it in the fridge for 30 minutes. While the batter is resting, we're going to prepare the muffin tins. I'm greasing my muffin tins with canola oil. I'm using jumbo muffin tins, but you can use cupcake tins if that's what you have. Once your batter has had time to rest, you're going to fill your muffin tins all the way to the top. Now, I know you're not supposed to fill muffins all the way to the top, but with this recipe, you have to fill them to the top in order to get that beautiful dome shape. Also, since I'm using jumbo muffin pan, I have exactly 6 muffins. If you use cupcake pan, you'll end up with 12 muffins. Next, go ahead and sprinkle some more chocolate chips all over the tops. The more chocolate chips, the better. Then another trick to get the dome on the top is to start baking these from a very high temperature. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 425 degrees and bake your muffins for exactly 5 minutes. And the dome shape starts to develop when the heat causes the muffins to rise rapidly. After 5 minutes, you're going to reduce the heat to 375 Fahrenheit and bake them for an extra 18 to 20 minutes. If you're using cupcake pans, only bake them for 12 to 15 minutes. And here they are out of the oven. They smell so good. Make sure you check them with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it means they're done. You don't want to give these any chance to overbake because they will dry out. And I don't know if you guys can see, but my lighting stopped working and my camera started picking up weird colors. So I brought one outside to show you the true color. They have to be very nice and golden brown, just like this. They also have their beautiful bakery style dome tops. I think that's the best part of the muffin. And look at all those yummy chocolate chips. These muffins came out so soft, very fluffy. When you bite into them, they're a little crunchy on the outside but soft and gooey on the inside. You guys will love these. If you want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. When you try this recipe, send me photos on Instagram and Facebook. I love seeing your creations. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get notified for new videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.